Save the birds. Once upon a time, in a little cozy town, there lived a girl named Lily. She loved birds. Every day she watched them fly high in the sky, singing their sweet songs. One windy day, Lily saw a bird trapped in a tangle of wires. Its feathers were ruffled and it looked scared. Lily knew she had to help. She gently untangled the bird. From that day on, Lily made it her mission to help birds in need. She put up the bird feeders in her backyard and made sure to keep her windows clean so birds wouldn't crash into them. As time passed, more and more birds visited Lily's yard. They chirped and tweeted, happily grateful for her kindness. One day, a wise old owl landed on Lily's window sill. Thank you, Lily. It hooted softly. Your kindness has saved many lives. Lily smiled and felt proud. She learned that even small acts of kindness can make a big difference. From that day on, she continued to be a friend to all birds, knowing that every little bit helps to make a better place. Kindness, no matter how small, can make a big difference in the lives of others. Bye bye and have a great day. Bye.